Hello friends, as I had promised earlier, here I am with a video showing fruits and vegetables and plants from my grandpa's farm. To start off, Kerala is the land of coconut trees. So naturally we get lot of coconut from coconut tree. There are different varieties of mango trees in the garden. And we get some really yummy mangoes. Then comes my favorite banana plants. Farm has a lot of banana plants and my grandpa keeps feeding me banana all the time. We have papaya which is really good for health. When we talk of health, nothing can beat moringa leaves and sticks. We also grow pumpkins. And not even a single day goes by without the pumpkin dish. Now let me take you underground. I mean just to show vegetables under the soil. First to start is the ginger plants in the farm. Then there is turmeric, which is medicinal. And the turmeric processing video is coming soon. Arrowroot plants are also there in the farm. Tapioca is light and cultivated by many Keralites. With a bit of hard work, you can dig these tapioca roots out from soil. And then you put the tapioca stick in the same place for it to grow. We are also growing green eggplant in our garden. There are different types of tulsi plants like normal tulsi and Krishna tulsi. You will also find some aloe vera plants outside the house. The other interesting fruit is the love apple, which is crunchy and tasty. Do you want some? While walking to the farm, I was not alone. Baby scorpion was always watching me. All these fruits and vegetables are organic and we can eat them without fear. Thank you for watching and do wait for more fun videos.